Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal, and today we're going to be talking about grooves, dados, and rabbets. In American woodworking, these three terms have specific meanings in regard to solid wood. A groove runs the length of the grain, a dado runs across it, and a rabbet is formed on the edge of a board. These joints, in most cases, are made so that they could accept another piece of wood. When you glue a piece of wood into one of these joints, it can result in a very useful and very strong piece of joinery. They are used extensively in furniture making and other types of woodworking. Something that has always struck me as a little odd is that all of these terms actually describe an area or a space where material has been removed, but it is removed in a distinct shape for a specific purpose. For example, here is a drawer that uses all three joints. Did you notice earlier when I said these are American terms? In British vernacular, a rabbet is a rebate, a dado is a housing, and I've also seen grooves identified as housings in British articles. And architects have a whole nother meaning for the term dado. And while the terms dado and groove are very useful when you're working with solid wood, how about here? Did I plow a groove or a dado? Does it matter as long as the housing has been made in the right location and to the correct depth and width? The answer is no. Now the goal of this video is not to show you how to make these joints, but there are three main methods for it. Table saw, router, either handheld and guided or in a router table, a hand plane that's set up for making them. Now the goal of dados and grooves is that they should fit together smoothly, but not too tight. I hope you enjoyed this brief explainer about dados, grooves, and rabbets, and maybe even learned a thing or two. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Keep on making sawdust.